In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter income and expenses easy in TurboTax. Once you log in, go to income and expenses. You have all these forms, right? Suppose if you have different accounts and brokerage accounts where you buy stocks and sell or crypto, and if you get some dividends or interest, you need to enter all those in under income and expenses. In TurboTax, I uploaded all the documents, 1099 documents or all the tax documents, but they are all in a PDF format, and there's no way you can link automatically link them to enter all the values. The other option is you have to connect your all the accounts logging in from TurboTax, and the TurboTax will automatically upload them, which I don't want to do. Like suppose if I have 5-6 accounts, I don't want to log in into each of my account from I don't want to log in into all those accounts from TurboTax. I don't know, I just don't feel that's safe, so I would like to enter manually, and which is very easy. You don't have to enter everything. I'll walk you through. Say suppose if we have let's say it could be different forms, right? 1099-B is like where you sell stocks and short term or long term, all those. And you could have 1099-comp, COMP. That means that's a document which has all the forms like 1099-B, 1099 interest, 1099 dividend, they all put in one. That's 1099 comp. The short form is comp. Okay, so you just have to, let's say I'll just put some bank. Let's say we are in income and expenses. Like I said I'm going to add a new account, so it says okay, let's add, right? Let's continue. I'll just choose Chase, right? Okay, let's choose Chase. So then there are different ways you can open your connect your bank. You can sign in, which I don't want to do. You can use this is the one, once you sign you get my form, but I want to enter a different way. So let's see which form you want to enter, right? So this is the interest form, and this is if you got any dividends. This one if you bought and sold some stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. And for the cryptocurrency you enter these, and for other like land or home sales or personal items you enter this. Let's do the regular one now. Let's say enter the stocks, right? Let's say continue. Okay, let's choose let's say Chase, right? Okay, account number all fine. Yes, okay. Do these sales include any employee stocks? No, it's not employee stocks. So do you have more than 3 sales? Yes. If you have yes, if it's yes, if less, then no. Any other types of collectibles or no? I say no. Do you buy ever investment listed online? Did you? Yes, I did buy them. That's why I'm doing it. So this one, they have 2 options. This is the one I'm going to show you. See, you don't have to do one by one. Always choose sales section total. It's easy for you. Then go here. And this way you can just enter short-term covered, long-term covered, and total. You just have to enter all the totals, right? It'll be easy. You don't have to go through so many lines. This is where you need to select, right? Let's do short-term basis reported to IRS, right? Then here you just have to enter in your 1099-B form. You'll have a total under short-term sales section. You'll have total proceedings and total cost. So you just have to go through that line and enter that amount and total cost, right? Those two you enter. Let's say I say 1,000, right? And total cost, maybe I spend more, that's a loss for me, right? This is how I have, suppose I go here, see, short term I lost 1000, right? You can add the same way because we have long term also, right? Let's go here and do long term. So this way you don't have to enter all the stocks, when you bought them, when you sold. You don't need all that, right? You just enter long term ones. So I spend maybe 1000, maybe long term I had 2000, right? So you just have to go to like long term section in your 1099-B form, the tax form. You go to long term total section where it will show you total proceedings and total cost for long term. You just enter that amount and say, I'm just putting that just to show you. Oh, cost, I should say cost less. Let's go back and correct this, edit, because I want to show I made some money, right? So I'll say total proceedings too, and I spent 1000, right? Let's continue. See, now I made, like long term I made 1000 profit and short term I lost. So this is how you add 1099-B. You can add let's see, I can add this is for long term and short term. So this is the same way you can add other bank accounts for say I added for 1099-B, right? You can add another entry. You can enter some other one under income and expenses as 1099 dividend. You could say, if it's a different bank, you can say MD-Trade 1099-dividend or 1099 interest. This is how you enter. You just have to enter total proceedings and total cost, and it's much easier than going through entering each. If you have 15 or 20 of them, you don't need to do all that, right? This is the easiest way to enter all the tax forms in TurboTax. And once I continue, I come back to income and expenses. This is the one I just showed you. This is how it looks. Once it's done, you can always edit. See, these are the ones we did, right? So anyway, the total cost basis was 3000 and proceedings was 3000. That's why it's showing 3000, right? Yeah, thought I'll just show you that. So this is the other one you can enter, like here, Chase 1099 interest tax. So I hope this helps. If it helps, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.